Guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado this generation here from year 2014 to 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuse for the fuel pump control module is located, you have up to 3 fuses that you need to check. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So for the fuel pump control module, guys, which fuse we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Silverado here. By the way, guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know that, but you have many hidden fuse boxes, and if you have one of those trucks, check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do, open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, on the driver's side we have a fuse box under this cover. Go ahead, open that cover, and you're going to see a fuse box layout like this one for 2014 through 16 models, and layout like that for 2017 through 19 models. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So, guys, let's start with 2014 through 16 models. Please make sure to stay until the end, that way we want to share one good advice with you and you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If we zoom in a little bit, we come to that upper section here, guys. Okay, let me zoom out so we can have a little bit better view. Here we need to check, guys, fuse number 18, that fuse right here. You need to check fuse number 21. Okay, the one right here, the 30 fuse. Then you may have another one which will be fuse number 41. It will be the third under the relay, depending on which engine you have. 2017 through 19 model, if we zoom in a little bit, fuse number 18 will need to be checked, 21, and again 41. The location will be exactly the same for both years. Now, guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.